Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for just even clicking on this video. I hope you watch it until the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, please. Yeah, it'll make me happy. And then you'll be privy to all of my videos when they come out. And also, I want you to join my Facebook group, Curly G Facebook group. I'll have a link in the description box. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, GeneG59. Yeah, GeneG59 on Instagram. My husband and I have been watching a show called Homestead Rescue. And this man and his daughter and son go around to these people who have moved off the grid and help them to improve their lives. So as we watch this show, we always watch it together. But since I've been watching Homestead Rescue, I noticed that these people are very good stewards of what God has given us. And so when they build something, they try to use what they already have first. So in the last couple of weeks, we've been doing some things around the house. Added a roof. I took the shutters down from the house. They were in pretty good shape, but I'm not going to put them back up. So what I did was paint the shutters in a color that I thought would fit the decor in the house. Yeah, outside shutters are now in my house. And if you look right behind me to my right, you'll see that I have removed my old jewelry holder and I've replaced it with a shutter. I have the same little hooks in there. As a matter of fact, my husband needs to bring me some more hooks so I can hang my necklaces there. But that is a result of watching Homestead Rescue, and I've learned to repurpose some things. Now, I did think that I was going to be able to make shelves, and I probably will be out of the other shutters, but they seem to stick too far out from the wall. I'm going to take a picture of what I have done while I'm waiting for another idea for the shutters. Instead of having them outside or in storage, I have made them a part of the decor in one of my rooms. And I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. Oh yes, and at the top left of this video, you'll see the old jewelry holder that I had in my bathroom, and I just used it to put some pictures of my children that have come in. Yeah, so this is how I am temporarily using these shutters for now. In our house, we call the extra rooms everybody room, because it's just my husband and I that live here. But when the others come, whoever comes first chooses whatever room they want to stay in while they are here, not live, because they're not living here anymore. They just visit. And then whoever comes afterwards choose another room. So yeah, that's the way it works. And so we call our rooms everybody room instead of the guest room. We're just trying to be good stewards of what God has given us. And this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers, my subscribers, and I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been providing for me. He's protected me, and He's protected me in ways that I may not even know. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. And have a happy Thanksgiving.